Hello, welcome back. So let me summarize whatever you learned in this course. The first thing that you learn, how to automate browser. So you first use Selenium IDE and then you come up with drawbacks of Selenium IDE. And Selenium IDE is never intended to implement serious automation. And then what we learn how to use Selenium RC and Selenium WebDriver to get rid of the drawbacks of Selenium IDE. And since Selenium RC is in maintenance mode and Selenium WebDriver is the one that is currently supported and the one that is going to be supported in future, so therefore we focused more on Selenium WebDriver. Then you wrote automation using Selenium WebDriver backed APIs and you developed programs just from scratch without using Selenium IDE so that we can practice a little bit of how to use Selenium WebDriver. Then we built frameworks. Those are data-driven frameworks, keyword-driven frameworks, hybrid frameworks. We develop this framework so that we can have reusable modular code. Using these frameworks we developed, we learned how to test web application, and we have taken a packaged application like a learning management system called Moodle. Using different features of Moodle, we have given you a project. Whatever you learn here, you can apply those things in your project. Alright, and then we have given you idea how to automate simple test cases. We didn't cover a lot of things that you're supposed to know in Selenium, and those are, we just focus on Java. We just focus on Java binding. However, you can also use Python, you can use Ruby on Rails to write Selenium automation. Alright, so those things are not covered here, so maybe we will extend to those areas in future. Then we didn't really use JUnit or TestNG framework, which is even more powerful than our keyword driven framework. And so what I'm thinking, maybe we can somehow take the good things about the keyword driven framework and take the good thing about from the TestNG framework, and then we can create a new framework. And that is my plan in future. I like to have some lectures on those in those areas. And also we didn't really do anything on Selenium Grid. Okay, so we didn't really do how to run this test parallelly. Down the line, I'm also going to I'm planning to do some more lectures on Selenium Grid, more on continuous integration testing, like how to use Jenkins or Hudson to test it. Okay, so my plan is to do those videos down the line, but at this time just master yourself on these areas of Selenium, and I think this should get you going, and then we can add something. It's my pleasure to give this online course through Mentorsnet, and if you have any questions, just contact on the forum. Thank you.